Sixth lesson, supermundane consciousness. Now, do you remember our past all lessons? No? Not all. Okay. May you try. Okay. Okay. What is the meaning? Super mundane. The Pali we call lokuttara. Super mundane. Lokena uttaroti lokuttaro. Overcome from three worlds. Overcome from clinging aggregates. Overcome from 12 bases. Overcome from 18 elements. It is called lokuttara. Understand? Overcome from three worlds. What are three worlds? Sensual plane, fine material plane, and immaterial plane. Overcome from three worlds. It is we call lokuttara, one meaning. Second meaning, free from clinging five aggregates. Three worlds. Okay. Number two, free from clinging of five aggregates. Overcome. What are the five aggregates? Yeah, form, feeling, perception, mental formation, and consciousness. Another one, free from all 12 type of bases. What are the 12 type of bases? Eye base, ear base, nose base, tongue base, body base, yes, mind base. There are internal 6 bases. There are 6 bases in internal. External, there are 6. Color, sound, smell, taste, tangible and Dhamma object. Actually, I remember the one sutta explaining what is the meaning world, loka. They are explaining one type of world, 2 type of world, 3 type of world, 4 type of world, 5 type of world, etc. explaining. According this way, there are many different type of meaning in the world. But not enough to the 3 meaning. Overcome from 3 world, sensual plane and fine material and immaterial world. The same way, free from clinging of 5 aggregates, free from all 12 type of bases. The same way they have the element, 18 type of elements, but the no need the too much deep meaning, but don't no need to think just now. Okay, later you can understand. Okay, this is a meaning lokuttara. There's a super mundane. The mundane meaning lokiya. There are 2. Mundane, super mundane, 2 words. Mundane, clinging, always a clinging. Clinging. Attached to the object, they are still clinging. That's why we call mundane. Okay. But that's why we call mundane. Super mundane, lokuttara. No more clinging to any object. Don't have any attachment. The important thing, the super mundane consciousness arising because of one object. Cannot be many objects. Only Nibbana object. Okay? Only Nibbana object. Example now, we already study different type of wholesome mind, no? Sometimes object different. Offering dana, taking observe, and practicing meditation, and doing service for Sangha, offering flowers, different object, different consciousness arising. But the same wholesome mind also can take different object. But according to the super mundane, only one object. Cannot be two, cannot be more than one, cannot be less than one. Only one object. It is Nibbana. Okay? What is the meaning of Nibbana? Nibbana word we can divide. Ni, vana. The ni plus vana. Okay. Ni, vana. This is the separate word. Vana meaning vanang uchati tanha. Vana it is we call tanha, craving. Craving. Vana meaning craving. Na meaning no craving. Free from craving. Ni meaning no, don't have. Okay? According to the Pali, ni vana become nibbana. They call Pali grammar. Don't think about the grammar. It is a different subject. Okay?
So, vana is tanha.
Yes. Ni meaning don't have tanha. Free from tanha. Nibbana. Okay?
Ni tanha, ni vana, same.
This was the Sanskrit nirvana. Mahayana was nirvana. Yeah, nirvana. Nivana, nirvana. According to our own language also nirvana meaning and nibbana also both meaning. Actually, one more meaning have nibbana. According to the definition of the word, nibba petiti nibbana. Very cool, very peaceful. Means we are always burning our life because of what? Defilement. Burning our mind, burning our life. Everything going to destroy because of defilement. If you have any defilement, making the fire. No more defilement. We are going to destroy the defilement. Destroying the defilement, our mind become very cool, very peaceful. That's why Nibbana. Okay, now you know the meaning Nibbana. Do you want to get Nibbana?
Yes.
Sure. Okay. If someone want to get Nibbana, we should try to get the meaning of the Nibbana clearly. According to the Sutta, our Lord Buddha explained, Sabba Sankahara Samato. Nibbana is tranquilly from all the Sankhara, formation. No more any formation. The Kamma. No more Kamma. In the Nibbana object, Nibbana cannot produce Kamma. Cannot give the rebirth again. Cannot give the result in next life. That's why Nibbana we call free from all formation or tranquility of formation. Virago, disattachment. Tanhakhayo, the destroy the craving. And Vattupachedo, cut off the whole samsara life. No more, cannot rebirth again. Cut off the samsara life. They have many type of qualities of Nibbana. Okay? After that, you want to know, because of Nibbana object, how many consciousness arising? How many consciousness arising? Briefly, there are 8 types of consciousness. The lone way, 40 types of consciousness. All are consciousness we are calling super mundane lokuttara. Did you get the meaning? Okay, now our subject is super mundane consciousness. Okay, there are 4 types of super mundane consciousness. Number 1, Sotapatti Magga Chittang. Sotapatti. Pali Sotapatti means stream entering. Stream entering. Actually, Sota Apatti. The 2 words. Sota Apatti. Actually, the stream is like water stream, no? Just like water stream, Sota. According to the Sutta, explaining one day, our Lord Buddha explained to the asked from the Bhante Sariputta, Soto sototiko auso vochati kittavutanuko soto. Sariputta, the sota, there's one word. What is the meaning sota? Then Bhante Sariputta replied to the Buddha. Soto nuko bhante aryo attangiko maggo. Sota is called eightfold path. Sota meaning eightfold path. What are the eightfold path? Right view, right speech, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, right concentration. Actually, those are things don't have in the notes. Huh? Please write down. Okay, this is additional explanation. Okay. The brief meaning, what are the eightfold path? Sila, Samadhi, Panya. Morality, concentration and wisdom. Okay. Morality means they are threefold. What are the 3? Right speech, right action, right livelihood. Concentration, they are threefold. Right effort, right mindfulness, right concentration. Wisdom, there are two parts. Panya. Right view. Okay, right view is better. No? Yes, correct. Right view, right thought. Okay? This is a eightfold path. Actually there are two types of eightfold path. Don't forget. Mundane eightfold path and super mundane eightfold path. According to the Sotapatti, stream entering we call super mundane eightfold path, not the mundane. Not mundane, okay? If someone want to get the Nibbana, want to reach to Nibbana, his mind enter the super mundane eightfold path. It is the Sota entering, stream entering, enter the super mundane eightfold path. This is the first time. That's why we call Sotapatti. No, this is the example. So, because Sota, there is another example, water stream. Because why? If the very heavy stream, water stream coming, if something put to water, we cannot stop, go. The same way, if someone enter the Sotapatti Magga first, nobody stop, direct go until Nibbana. No the traffic jam there, okay? No traffic. No traffic, no any blockage also. Nobody disturb. This meaning. Now Sotapatti stream entering path consciousness. Magga meaning path, chitta consciousness. Now stream entering path consciousness. Okay? Path consciousness of stream enter. Okay? The second meaning, Sakadagami. Sakadagami. Sucking agami. Sucking agami. The one word. Began to sucking agami. Sucking. M dot sucking agami alone. Yes. Sucking means one time he come back to again his original place. How explain original place? Example, someone get Sakadagami in this present moment. Okay, he already got the Sakadagami level. But he don't want to get the Arahaship this time. Then he reborn in the Deva world. It's the whole life. Still the whole life spent in the Deva world. Still Sakadagami don't want to get Arahaship. He again come to his original place, to human world. Then he attained the Arahaship. That's why one return, he come one time to his original place. That's why the one return we call Sakadagami. Saki meaning one time. Agami, enter, coming.
So, if let's say he attained Sakadagami in the celestial, in the heavenly realm, so he will only go to the heavenly realm, will not come back to human realm.
Usually no mention. There are 5 types of Sakadagami. Okay? You want to know? No, already not have. We already prepare. External. Okay, no? Okay. Actually, there are 3 types of Sotapatti also. If you want to know, I can explain. Okay. But this one we copy from the very old translation. But any brother JJ also helped me. I don't know. I also not familiar some words. But anyway, I used my normal way is better. Actually, the Sotapatti person, stream enter, we can divide into three. The 3 person. according to their lifespan, according to their life. Because after enter the Sotapatti, they have the maximum life. He can reborn only 7 life in this sansara, in the world. More than 7, he cannot live. Okay? In between the 7, he should be the Arahat. He should get the Arahatship. This is a way. Now the first one, Sattakattu Parama. Sattakattu Parama, what sort of person is one who undergoes rebirth not more than 7 times, 7 life. Okay? Understand? Only 7 life. His maximum 7 life. Example now, to this life he got the Sotapatti. Then he go to the celestial world, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, after 7 life, he got Arahatship. He can get Arahatship. Then go into cessation of the cessation, Parinibbana. Final cessation. Okay? This is the first one. But they have the more detail. You can read. The second one we call Kolang Kolo. Kolang Kolo meaning someone after Sotapatti stream enter, he can reborn 2 or 3 life only. 2 or 3 life. Then he can get Arahatship. Then go into final cessation. Okay? Number 3, Ekabiji. Ekabiji meaning single seed. If someone have the 1 seed orange, how many plant you can get? 1? Cannot get 2, no? This Ekabiji meaning he has only 1 life. Next life he will get Arahatship. He get Arahatship. Very nice, very good, no?
So the Arahat is from Sotapanna to Arahat, or still next life will be Sakadagami, Anagami?
Can be. Can be. Yeah. That's why during the Sambuddha Sasana, this Sasana season, you should try to get Sotapatti. Enough. Jhana also difficult. Difficult to get jhana also. Difficult to take the good wholesome also, no? How we enter the Sotapatti. But anyway, may you try. This is because the after Sotapatti person, they cannot stay longer. This is the nature of the Sotapatti. Yeah, nature of this is a law. Like the Lord Buddha gave the law. No, should be. Sure. Must he attend, otherwise cannot leave. Okay? Okay. Sakadagami. Once returner. Now understand meaning, no? Sakadagami. Saking agami. Once returner. There are, I already told only, mainly he has only 1 life. Then he again come to his original place. This is a Sakadagami. But another has extra 4 Sakadagami. Okay, you can read. Already found? Okay. The Puggala Panyati commentary explain, there are once written, especially there are mainly there are 5 types, but the first 4, the Idda Hutva Idda Parinibbai. Someone get the Sakadagami in this life, in this moment, after few years, they can get the Arahatship. This is we call one of the Sakadagami person, but not including our original meaning. Okay? Number 2, Ida Hutva Devaloke Parinibbai. Someone attains Sotapatti in this life, after whole lifespan stay in the human world, then go to the Deva world or Brahma world. Then he got the Arahaship. This one also not include our original meaning. He not come to original place. Number 3, Devaloke Hutva Dev Tata Parinibbai. Someone get the reach to Sotapat, the Sakadagam in the Deva world or Brahma world. Then after a few years or after a few kappa, they got Arahaship. The same life. This is a number 1. Another one, Devaloke Hutva Tatta Ida Parinibbai. Someone reached to Sakadagami in the Deva world. After that, they come to the human world to get the Arahaship. These 4, excluding those are 4 noble person. Last one. Okay? Someone after Sakadagami, he go into the another world, stay whole lifespan, again come to the original world. This is called Sakadagami. Okay? Okay, go to the original, number 3, the name, Anagami. Anagami, na agami. Definition of the word. Anagami, na agami. Na agami. Agami meaning coming. Na, not coming, none return to the sensual plane. Okay? Who get the Anagami, who reach the Anagami, he never ever reborn again in the human world. Because he destroyed all sensual craving. He cut off the sensual craving. Then he cannot compute no more any sensual craving. Sensual plane, sensual desire. Yeah, that's why the example, someone reached to the Anagami, non-return in this life, in the human world, okay? But he doesn't have mind to get Nibbana in this moment. He want to go to the highest Brahma level. Do you remember last 5? In your list, we explaining the resultant of the fine material consciousness. At that I told there are last 5 Brahma world. Aviha, Atappa, Suddhasi, Suddhasa, Akanittaka. Sister can show this now because yeah. Okay, this okay. Please see. Okay, please see the board. PowerPoint. Okay, Brahma. Yeah, no, last 5 only. Last 5. This is a plane for the Anagami. After a non-returner, they are going to reborn in that place. Okay, they are not going to any other place. This is a meaning. That's why they never come back to the again sensual plane. There's a non-returner. Na agami, non-returner. Okay. Number 4, Arahatta Magga Chitta. Arahatta. Arahatta meaning? Arahant. What's the meaning Arahant? Na raha. Na raha. Actually, according to the planning, the meaning, raha meaning suitable. Suitable. So, araha is one word. No, cannot divide. Cannot divide. Araha one word. Araha means suitable to, and the suitable person to receive the requisite from the people. Because now we are offering the material items, and we offer the mental items. What's the mental item? The wholesome. Whatever we do in the kusala, wholesome, those are things we can offer to the Buddha. Or other arahant can accept. That's why we call arahant. This is the respectful person for us. Very respectful person. Actually, arahant, there are 5 meanings according to the commentary. And according to the Lord Buddha also mentioned, there are 5 meanings. Especially for the Lord Buddhas, there are 5 meanings. For the arahat, there are 4 meanings. So especially there are the 3 meanings. Okay, because now we recite Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato. Arahato means Arahant. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato. Arahato means Arahant. According to the Arahato, there are 5 meanings. Okay, first of all, we can get the 5 meanings. Number 1, Arakatta itipi arahang. Destroying the all defilement with habitual karma. First one. Destroying the all defilement with habitual karma. Arinang hatatta itipi arahang. Ari means enemy. Destroy the different type of enemies. Means defilement also. The same meaning, but little bit different. Number 3, Aranang hatatta itipi arahang. Destroy the whole sansara life. Sansara, because sansara is like circle, no? They have this circle, the life to life join. We cut off all the sansara life, the circle of sansara. Number 3, Paccayanang arahatta itipi arahang. In this world, the number 1, that's the great receiver of 4 requisites. When you offer the 4 requisites, this is a great receiver for the Buddha. Great personal receiver, individual receiver. Okay? Number 5. Raho papakarane raha bhava. Our Lord Buddha never ever lie anything by verbally, by action, by mind, in front of and behind. Very deep meaning. Why? Some religion teacher, in front of the people, they are very nice. But behind, I don't know. During the Buddha's time also, so many ascetic monks, ascetic teachers, they are in front of people, they are very nice for the people. Talking, everything very nice. But they are doing bad thing in the behind. But our Lord Buddha never ever do anything in front of and out behind also. Okay? Because why? Nowadays, we are thinking about the lie, not only verbally, can action. By actions, we can give the wrong message for others. It is true. But our Lord Buddha never ever do anything like this. This is the original meaning of the Arahant, according to Lord Buddha's quality. But for the Arahat, except first one, others 4 may be suitable meaning. Okay? Except first one. Because the Arhat also never do anything, the bad thing behind also last one. They also the good receiver. And they also culture of the samsara. And they also already overcome from all that enemies. No more any defilement. Except first one, other 4, the meaning for the all of Arahat. Okay? Now, there are 2 types of Arahat. Samatha Dhura and Vipassana Dhura. According to Mahayana or Theravada? Yes, because the Samatha Dhura means some meditators, first time they are practicing the tranquility method and up to 8 attainment. After that, they are going to Vipassana. Then they are practicing the first Samatha, after go Vipassana. This is a Samatha Dhura. This is one way to get the realization of the Nibbana. One way. Now, second one, some meditator don't want to practice samatha, attainment. Without attainment, they're just going to take the pure vipassana. Can get arahaship. But the very difficult road. Now, if you want to go somewhere, if road not comfortable, that take time, no? If you have the comfortable road, you can go very fast. Same way. If someone has any attainment, the samatha, the vipassana very skillful, very fast. But without samatha, someone going to practice vipassana, his way very slow. Then another thing, you want to walk somewhere at night without light, very difficult. We need the light. If have the light, we can walk clearly. If don't have light, cannot. The samatha means preparing the light to see the mentality and materiality very clearly. That's why first time you should practice samatha, then go to vipassana. This is the original teaching of the Buddha. During the Buddha's time, almost great disciple, great arahat, all the people reach the arahatship, practice first samatha or to vipassana. They practice the attainment, then go to the vipassana, inside knowledge. Okay? Include, but especially for the arahat, there are 2 types of arahat. Samatha, vipassana, dhura. But other also, they on the way, the Sotapatti also we can divide samatha, vipassana. Both can, but especially arahat we divide. Because Sotapatti we divide different way now, no? Sotapatti different way, Sakadagami different way. Anagami is a different way. Anagami, there are 5 types of Anagami. Become 24 types. Maybe this is no need to explain. Okay, now my lesson very deep. Our lesson is, now we are going to study the consciousness, supermandry consciousness. Okay, there are 2 types of consciousness, path and fruition. Path meaning wholesome, fruition meaning resultant. Now you know, after we offer dana, okay, taking sila, but the resultant, we cannot see original result in this life. Can see? Example, now today I offer these flowers for the Buddha. Okay? This result we can divide into 7 parts. Okay, example. One of the 7 we can get this life, only feeling, happy feeling. But we cannot get the resultant consciousness because of this object. When arises a resultant consciousness according to this object? In the next life or in the samsara life. Understand? That's why when we are doing the mundane wholesome, when we are collecting the mundane wholesome, we are offering dana, etc., and we are practicing meditation, we are going to attainment, all our mundane wholesomes result. We can see little bit on this life. But original result coming from the next life and samsara life. Okay? But wholesome like this. Nature of the wholesome. But when we are going to super mundane wholesome, they are different. When we are taking the super mundane wholesome mind, immediately result are coming. No need to wait. No need to wait. Immediately result are arising. That's why the super mundane is a super. Okay? There are 4 path consciousness we call wholesome. 4 fruition consciousness we call resultant. Okay? You understand? Okay, good. These are path consciousness that arise in the noble one and can only arise once. See? Those are wholesome, arise only one time in our life. After which the same path consciousness will not ever arise again. The path consciousness is followed immediately by 2 fusion consciousness. That's why I told, according to the chitta process, super mundane chitta process, we can see later, magga arising only one moment. Immediately arising resultant mind, fruition path knowledge, the phala knowledge, fruition knowledge, consciousness. Don't have any gap. Okay? Don't have any gap between the 2 chitta. Okay. Please go to 50, page number 50. Super mundane resultant consciousness, lokuttara chit, vipaka. The same. Sotapatti phala chitta, fruition consciousness of stream enter. Sakadagami, fruition consciousness of one returner. Anagami phala, fruition consciousness of non-returner. Arahata phala, fruition consciousness of arahata ship. These are the 4 types of super mundane resultant consciousness. The fruition consciousness arises 2 times immediately after the corresponding path consciousness arose. Immediately. Understand? Okay. For other mundane wholesome consciousness, the result consciousness is only experienced sometime in the future. Fruition consciousness can arise under the two way. There are 2 ways here. What are the 2? Following the arising of the path concept, 2 fruition concepts will arise. Okay? The noble one can, after making a determination into the fruition attainment for predetermined period of life. This means like the fruition attainment. Okay? Fruition attainment moment. Because now you can see understand the chitta process. Page number 49. Okay? Okay. Now according to the path process, also there are 2 types of person. 2 types of the practitioner. What are the 2? Dull wisdom and sharp wisdom. Okay? Who has the dull wisdom? That person, when he going to enter the Sotapatti Magga, according to his process, after mind or adverting consciousness arising, preparation consciousness. Okay? Arising, preparation consciousness. After that, assess consciousness. After the conformity consciousness, then change of lineage. He cut off his ordinary life. According to this place, the Gotra meaning cut off the ordinary worldly life. What's the meaning ordinary? Pali we call putujjana. Putujjana. Putujjana means the arising different type of many defilement thoughts. It is called putujjana. Ordinary person always we are attached different way, disattached different way. This is a meaning. Then change of lineage, meaning according to the Gotra of this that consciousness going to take Nibbana object. This is a one mundane consciousness taking the Nibbana object. Always we told, always Nibbana taking object, supermundane consciousness. Do you remember? But according to the Chitta process, when the Gotrabhu mind arising before the path knowledge, path consciousness, that consciousness also taking Nibbana object. Why? Otherwise they cannot cut off the ordinary life. Okay? Then after change of the lineage, consciousness arising, path knowledge, path consciousness, Sotapatti, stream enter, consciousness arising. Only one time. After the arising, immediately resultant mind. First fruition and second fruition consciousness. Okay, understand? This is a dull wisdom person, for the dull wisdom. Who has sharp wisdom? That person, when he enters the Sotapatti Magga, at that time, after mind-o adverting consciousness, not arising preparation mind. No more preparation mind for him. After mind-o adverting consciousness arising immediately, assess consciousness. Okay, this is a different. After assess consciousness arising, conformity consciousness. After that, change of lineage. After the arising, Sotapatti Magga, path consciousness. After the arising, three types of fruition. The same, first fruition, second fruition, third fruition. Okay? Okay, now again please focus the Chitta process. Now you see the impulsion. Impulsion is Javana, no? Impulsion is actually Sankhara, Javana. They are producing, can appear wholesome, unwholesome and functional. But according to this place also we put the Javana. This is a normal common meaning. We put the meaning. Actually, according to this place, Javana only preparation, assess, conformity, change of lineage, path. According to Javana, because those are the Sankhara. Actually, the Sotapatti Magga also not included Sankhara, except this one also. After that, immediately arising the fruition knowledge, those are also including Javana according to here. But in our normal life, resultant mind cannot be Javana, cannot be impulsion. No, this is special. The path and fruition, not the special. Those are things we call impulsion. Supermundane impulsion, Javana. Together. Yes. No more gap. But nowadays, some meditators, practitioners, yes, I am now only Sotapatti, now I am instilling the Sotapatti, the path consciousness moment. But still I am preparing to get the fruition, the knowledge. No, wrong. Some teacher also teaching like this for the wrong way. I have many experience in Sri Lanka also. Some teachers teaching like this.
Because we always hear path and fruition, so we thought path is
Yes.
This one, and after this one, we know that it's just the whole thing.
Yes. Example like this, no? We switch on the light, immediately light come in, no? When on the switch, immediately light, the same way, immediately.
So that means after that, we check back, then we can see this.
Yes, correct.
Ourselves can confirm, that's all.
This is a different chitta process, different method. After second or third, the frozen knowledge arises again, life continue mind, stream bhavanga, going to stream bhavanga. After that, that meditator, he can reflect, reviewing his path knowledge, his frozen knowledge, and which kind of defilement cut off with the path knowledge, which kind of defilement remaining to cut off in future, and what is the object in the path and frozen knowledge. He can reflect. That's why after, if someone has the experience about the Sotapatti, don't say immediately, I'm the Sotapatti now. Okay? You should check by yourself. You always try to see everything according to your daily life. That's why sometimes not enough 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, 2 years, extra 3 years is possible. You try to again and again check your mind. Then you can understand, I am noble person or not. Okay? If someone want to be the noble person, you should find the proper way, and under the right guide. You should practice. But nowadays, many different teachers. But we have only the one Buddha, only one Tipitaka. But different follower, different teacher, different method. Sometimes the listener, they are confused. Which kind of method I should follow? Which kind of way is suitable for me? How I respect which kind of the person, the respectful person for me? Then our mind become. No, yeah, this means at that time he cannot check again his Magga Phala. The Phala can check. Magga's already passed. Anyway, according to his behavior, he can understand, which kind of defilement not arise. Example, the wrong view mind cannot appear. And doubtful mind cannot appear for me. According to his, practically can understand, I don't like this mind. Then you want to take the wrong view object to check, cannot appear. According to his own experience, he can decide. Now understand? Sotapatti, Magga and Phala. The same way, when we are enter the one returner, the Sakadagami level, second level, then one place they have to change. Gotrabu moment become Vodana, purification consciousness, Vodana. Change of lineage not arising anymore. Because he already cut off the ordinary life. No need to cut again. When he entered the second level, the noble level, arising Vodana consciousness, purification consciousness. Okay? The third level, fourth level also arising Vodana. But the Vodana, the purification consciousness. Now you see Sotapatti Magga, the path consciousness of stream enter, and next moment frozen consciousness of stream enter. The same way, second level, third level, fourth level. 8 consciousness you can understand? 8 type of path, fourth type of path and 4 type of frozen. This is we call 8 type of supermundane consciousness. Okay? Already, did you get the meaning? If you're not clear, I cannot go next chapter. That's why next explanation. I want to go next one more thing. Okay, did you get the meaning? Okay. What are the 8 types of supermundane consciousness? 4 Magga and 4 Pala. According to Chitta process, you can understand? Okay, good. Now, please focus on your Chitta process again. Before the path consciousness arising, 4 types of impulsion mind. We put the preparation, assess, conformity and change of lineage. Yes? Those are 4 consciousness. Which kind of mind? Yeah. Which kind of mind arising? Yes, wholesome. Now we want to know which kind of wholesome. Sensual plane wholesome or fine material wholesome or immaterial wholesome? Sensual plane wholesome consciousness arising. Sensual plane. Cannot be absorbed consciousness before the path knowledge. Cannot appear. Okay? Why? According to the object. Please check the object. Impermanent suffering, non-self, characteristic of the material mentality. Okay? Object is anicca or dukkha or anatta. The characteristic of the mental formation. Because of the object arising only sensual plane wholesome consciousness. Okay, did you get the meaning? Okay. According to this place, can appear 4 types of sensual plane consciousness. What are the 4 wisdom mind? Only 4 wisdom. Unwisdom mind cannot appear here. Only wisdom mind. What are the wisdom mind? 2 somanasa, happy feeling, and another 2 equanimity feeling. Now we want to know exactly which wisdom mind arising before which path. Okay? Understand? Now I am going to second way. Now already you know the 2 types of supermundane consciousness. What are the 2? Short way and long way. Short way there are 8. Now already no. Long way there are 40. Okay, long way there are 40. This means Sotapatti Magga Chitta. The path consciousness of extreme enter can appear 5 ways according to the supermundane absorption. Lokuttara jhana. Understand? Now do you remember we study 5 jhana? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. 5 jhana factors, 4 jhana factors, 3 jhana factors, 2 jhana factors, 2 jhana factors. Do you remember? The same way. Sotapatti Magga moment, Sotapatti path consciousness arising with first jhana. Sotapatti path knowledge arising with second jhana. Sotapatti path knowledge arising with third jhana. Sotapatti path knowledge arising with fourth jhana. Sotapatti path consciousness arising with fifth jhana. Now how many Sotapatti Magga? 5. According to the absorption consciousness. Okay? Now do you remember? Those are 5 jhana we can understand first 4 with happy feeling. Last one, equanimity feeling. Okay? The same way, Sotapatti path consciousness arising with first jhana up to 4th jhana. Between first or second or third or fourth. Before the path consciousness arising 4 types of jhana preparation, access, conformity and change of lineage. Those are mind also arising with happy feeling, with happiness and wisdom consciousness. Please mark, otherwise forget. Easy to give up, easy to forget, because this one not familiar. This is new for you, new for someone. Okay? Someone realized Nibbana with the Sotapatti Magga or with 5th jhana. Sotapatti Magga arising with 5th jhana. So, before the preparation, access, conformity and change of lineage, those are conscious also upekkha, equanimity with wisdom. Always the mind follow the nature of the Magga. Nature of the Magga, feeling, according to the feeling of the Magga. The first consciousness, first 4 consciousness, the sensual plane consciousness arising according to the feeling of Sotapatti Magga and Magga knowledge. The same way we can understand. Okay? Did you get the meaning? Others? No, yes. No, no. Means upekkha. Yes. Yes, they also taking this, they arise this mind. But in the immaterial world cannot appear Sotapatti Magga process like this process. Immaterial world, arupa world cannot appear. Okay. Okay, one more thing. If Sotapatti Magga consciousness, path consciousness is arising with first jhana, Sotapatti phala also with first jhana. Same result, cannot be changed. Okay? The path consciousness arising with the second jhana, Proshan knowledge also second jhana. Cannot be changed. Same. That's why Sotapatti stream enter, there are 5 consciousness. The Palos, the Proshan also, there are 5 consciousness, become 10. Sotapatti, for the Sotapatti, there are 10 consciousness. 5 for the path consciousness, there are 5 Proshan consciousness. Or 5 wholesome, 5 resultant. Nibbana quality not different. The same quality. Everything same. But the different means he has more experience about the attainment. And after Sota, if have someone already practiced the jhana before, then after Sotapatti he can very easy to practice the second power, etc. Okay. Okay, now the page number 51. I think understand, no? Supermundane, the beautiful consciousness, Sobhana Chitta Supermundane. This one already we know. Stream, enter path, one return a path, none return a path, arahat path. Same stream, enter fruition, one return a fruition, none return fruition, arahat fruition. Then you can write in front of stream, enter path, there are five. Five knowledge. One written a path, there are five. None written, there are five. Arahashik, there are five. Same way, stream, enter, fruition, there are five. Page number 51, they have the chart. Inside the chart you can write. Stream, enter, fruition, there are five. One written and fruition, there are five. None written fruition, there are five. Arahat fruition, there are five. Become 40. Anyway, example, but who has the jhana experience, especially for the get the second power, for the cessation attainment, for etc. Okay, but if someone no practice jhana, but he already Sotapatti, is no jhana, no problem, he can go to Sakadaganaga because he has the power of the Sotapatti. The jhana, the example, someone practicing only Vipassana, okay? In Vipassana, after Vipassana, when he reached to the Sotapatti Magga moment, arising automatically first jhana only. First jhana automatically arising. This is the nature of the Lokuttara. Because without jhana consciousness, Lokuttara mind cannot appear. Superman, without the absorbed consciousness, concentration, cannot appear the supermundane consciousness. You okay? Anything else regarding logo? Actually, they have the quite deep meaning, but I just only give the brief explanation. Otherwise, people will easy to confuse. Because they have the different object. If someone practicing only impermanent, okay, example. Yes, do first jhana only. Only first jhana, definitely only first. Cannot be second, third, fourth. If can appear second, third, fourth, we no need to practice samatha. We no need to encourage to practice the samatha meditation. Okay? Example, if someone practicing impermanent, all are this word, impermanent, all of the formation, mental formation, impermanent continuously. Then when he enter the Sotapatti Magga, they have a different door, different name. This way, quite deep meaning inside the supermundane. I just give only few examples. The only brief explanation, okay? Can. This means before go to the fine immaterial world, he already got the stream entry in this life. After he reborn in the immaterial world, then he never come back again. Don't worry. He never come back. Then after that he practice to second level, third level, then he can get arahaship. Same. Okay, they have the different counting. I think better you can understand by yourself because I can explain. You can get the meaning. Now, okay, first chart. See, 89 consciousness summary of the 89 consciousness. The sense, fine material, immaterial, supermundane. Unwholesome, wholesome, indeterminate, resultant, functional. Unwholesome, there are 2 8. Wholesome in the sensual plane, 8. fine material 5, immaterial 4, supermundane 4, total 21. But the resultant, sense opening, there are 23, fine material there are 5, 4, therefore the 36. In the functional also there are 11, 5, 4 become 20. Total, the sensual plane, there are how many consciousness? There are 54. 12 unwholesome, 8 wholesome, 33 resultant, 11 functional. The total 54. Fine material, wholesome there are 5, resultant there are 5, function there are 5, total 15. Immaterial, wholesome there are 4, resultant there are 4, function there are 4, total 12. Supermundane, wholesome there are 4, resultant there are 4, total there are 8. Okay, 89, 89. Total there are 89. Okay. The next chart, little bit different way, different. 89 consciousness detail. Sense, fine material, immaterial, supermundane. Okay. In the sensual plane, we divide unwholesome, rootless, beautiful. The unwholesome, there are 12. Rootless, there are 15, resultant, 3 functional, total 18. Beautiful, there are 8 wholesome, 8 resultant, 8 functional, 24, total 54. Different way we are counting. Fine material, first jhana, second, third, fourth, fifth. First jhana, 1 wholesome, 1 resultant, 1 function, total 3. The same way 3, 3, 3, 3 become 15. Immaterial, first jhana, second, third, fourth. Actually first meaning boundless space, second meaning boundless consciousness, nothingness, and neither perception nor non-perception. The first jhana, there are 1 wholesome, 1 resultant, 1 function, there are 3. 3, 3, 3 become 12. Supermundane, wholesome there are 4, resultant there are 4, total 8, become all there are 89. Okay? When you are free, please repeat again and again. And try to read the different explanation book regarding our lessons. Okay? Then you try to get the meaning. When you are studying by yourself, then you can see the many type of the question. You can get the because some place if not clear. Then at that time, you can make your question. You can write down and put in the website. No, send to the PAMC. Later we can put the answer. Okay. Huh? Yeah. Okay. Then we can send the meaning. Okay. But take time, huh? Don't wait the answer immediately. Huh? But anyway, please you read the book and try to combine together our lessons and try to again get the meaning slowly by slowly. If any question, please send us. Okay? Yes. Don't put my email later. Okay. Now the second classification, 121 consciousness. I think this one was very easy. Now already know. Only one place different. Now please read the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the Roman the number. The first jhana path consciousness of extreme enterer together with applied thought, sustained thought, joy, happiness and one-pointedness. You understand? Number 2, the second jhana path consciousness of extreme enterer together with sustained thought, joy, happiness and one-pointedness. Number 3, third jhana path consciousness of extreme enterer together with joy, happiness and one-pointedness. Number 4, the fourth jhana path consciousness of stream enter together with happiness and one pointness. The fifth jhana path consciousness of stream enter together with equanimity and one pointness. The same way, the first jhana path consciousness of stream enter. The same way you have to add by yourself fruition consciousness of stream enter. There are 5. Okay? Again you can tell one returner stream, one returner. The path consciousness of one returner. There are 5. Fruition consciousness of one returner. There are 5. Okay? Same way, path consciousness of non-returner. There are 5. Fruition consciousness of non-returner. There are 5. Same way, path consciousness of arahatship. There are 5. Fruition consciousness of arahatship. There are 5. There are 40.
So which one will appear is not decided by us, it's automatic one.
We can use the according to experience. If someone who is skillful the jhana, they can get according to experience. Okay. Okay. Please check the another chart. Attainment jhana stream enter the path and fruition knowledge. First, second, third, fourth, fifth total. You see, stream enter first, second, third, fourth, fifth. There are 5. One returner 5, non returner 5, arahat 5. 20 holds path knowledge. Same way 20 resultant knowledge. Understand, no? Okay, next chart. Little bit different. Now we know the absorb concentration, absorb consciousness. Example, the all fine material, immaterial, superman all include the absorb consciousness. The jhana consciousness we call jhana. The superman also included the jhana consciousness. This way we can see the meaning. Fine material, wholesome, result of functional. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, total 5. Okay? Immaterial, wholesome, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, yeah, 4. Wholesome, for the supermundane, they are 4, 4, 4, 4, 20. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 20. Become, according to this chart, you see, how many first jhana consciousness? 11. What are the 11? The first, second, third is a fine material. Sorry, fine material, wholesome first jhana, result of first jhana, function of first jhana. Then Sotapatti, Magga first jhana, Phala first jhana, Sakadagama Magga, Phala, Anagama Magga, Phala, Arhata Magga, Phala become 11. The same way, how many second jhana? 11, third jhana 11, fourth jhana 11. How many fifth jhana? 23. 23. Okay? Last chart. (121) consciousness. Now total we know 121. How we divide? Now sense, fine material, immaterial, supermundane. The sensual plane, unwholesome, rootless, beautiful. Unwholesome, there are 12. Rootless, there are 15 plus 3, 18. Beautiful, there are 8 plus 8 plus 8, total 24. The total is in the sensual plane, there are 54. The fine material, first jhana, second, third, fourth, fifth, there are 5 jhana. According to first jhana, there are 3. Same way, 15. Immaterial, there are 12. Supermundane, there are 40. Total become 121. But according to 121 consciousness, how many unwholesome? There are 12. How many wholesome? 37. And how many resultant? 52. How many functional? There are 20. Total 121. Thus ends the first chapter in the manual of Abhidhamma, entitled The Compendium of Consciousness. Okay, this is a summary of the consciousness. This is a summary. Okay, they have the details. Anyway, next time we can study. Now today this time we study the consciousness only, chitta. But chitta cannot appear alone. Chitta always appear with the mental factors. Okay? Now there are 52 mental factors, the different subject. Now next time we want to know what are the 52 mental factors. Some mental factors are universal, every moment arising. Some mental factors occasionally. Some mental factors unwholesome, arising only with the unwholesome mind. Some mental factors beautiful, arising with the beautiful mind. Okay? There are 52 mental factors. After that, we are going to combine together which mental factors arise with which mind. Which mind arises with which mental factors? How many? We are going to combine together. Okay? Good or bad? Good. But before we start the next chapter, please try to continuously keep in your heart this chitta. Otherwise, don't give up. Don't miss, okay? Try to slowly try to absorb. digest. Yeah, okay? Slowly try to take to your mind. Okay? Anything else? Yes. Means? Yeah, about the path, yes, same. No, because the silent Buddha, they cannot teach. They cannot read others' mind. They cannot read the others' karma. Because why? They don't have omniscient knowledge. Sabbanyu. Omniscient knowledge, Chinese? Sabbanyu.
So that means Pacceka Buddha is still Arahant,
Still Arahat.
but he don't have the power to turn the karma wheel.
Yes, and he knows his own way to get the liberation, but he cannot teach other. But sometimes he can but he cannot guide others systematically. But sometimes they can advise.
He can only advise people with his same category,
Mm.
but not.
No, cannot see that, cannot explain detail. Cannot, okay? Actually, I don't know why English the silent Buddha. Not the real meaning silent. Silent meaning always not the quiet. Okay? This is an English problem. But the real meaning Pacceka Buddha means, according to the Buddha mentioned, Katamocha Poggalo Pacceka Sambuddho, Pacceka Buddho, Ide Kacho Poggalo Saman Sachani Abhisam Bujjati Tattacha Sabbanyutang Napapunati Balesu Vasi Bhava. Who is the Pacceka Buddha? That noble person also understood Four Noble Truth by himself, without any helper, without any supporter. But he not get the omniscient knowledge and don't have any powerful knowledge like Buddha. This is the meaning. Yes. Yeah. No. During the Buddha Sasana, he said no more Pacceka Buddha. Yeah. Arahan, but they are higher than Arahan. Higher than Arahan. Higher than normal Arahan. Even the Pacceka Buddha higher than Bhante Sariputta also.
But our Buddha's dispensation, there is no Arahant at all. Correct. Our Buddha dispensation.
Our?
Out of
Yes, sure.
no Arahant.
No Arahat out of.
But
Yeah.
higher than Arahant.
Higher than Arahat. The junior, the lower than Lord Buddha.
So that means for us, we just have to understand that is that they attain arahantship out of the Buddha Sasana, Buddha dispensation. So we name it, we call them Pacceka Buddha.
Yeah, Pacceka Buddha, and not only one, many the Pacceka Buddha can appear together also.
It's just an arahant.
Yeah,
And just
yeah.
What is higher than Arahant? Which quality that is higher than Arahant?
Oh, according to the fulfill the parami. After definite prophecy.
They must know.
After definite prophecy, every Pacceka Buddha must fulfill parami to asankhya and 100,000 kappa. After definite prophecy, every Pacceka Buddha must minimum must fulfill the parami to asankhya and 100,000 kappa. Yeah. Then for the great disciple, the two great disciples, Bhante Sariputta and Bhante Moggallana, after definite prophecy, one asankhya and 100,000 kappa. They had fulfilled the parami. Asankhya and 100,000 kappa. Only two savaka. Other all only 100,000 kappa.
so the great disciple is one aspect more than the known.
You want to be you want to be Sariputta? You understand? No. Example. Now the example. Brother have been to Europe, one country, for the Paris, okay? But someone asks from you about Paris. You can explain very detailed, no? Paris like this, like this, like this, like this. But someone asks from you about Rome. How you will answer? Because you never been there, never seen. You have to guess the meaning. That this is not the meaning. But Lord Buddha know the everything. Everything Lord Buddha know. We cannot say Lord Buddha doesn't know any this one. Everything know. But Pacceka Buddha know only his own way. That's why he needs the special power to teach for others. That's why some Arahat also, who has the four analytical knowledge. You know analytical knowledge? Huh? And there are four types of analytical knowledge. Who get arahatship with the four analytical knowledge, they can teach Dhamma proper way. And they can read our mind, they can destroy our thing. After listening Dhamma to, listener can get arahatship also. Okay? That's why you need the special power. Understand?
But they do not attach to the supernormal power unless they...
No defilement, how they attach. Yeah?
So the great analytical power, the arahant is kotika.
Huh? Koti?
The analytical power.
For analytical knowledge. Because every arahat cannot get four analytical knowledge. Atta Patisambhida, Dhamma Patisambhida, Nirutti Patisambhida, Patibhana Patisambhida. The Atta meaning the meaning of the Tipitaka, Buddha's teaching. The Dhamma meaning the Dhamma, the taste of the Dhamma, like the meaning of the Dhamma, explanation. Nirutti means grammar of the Buddha's teaching. Patibhana means together, three together. Example, someone after get arahatship, he already by heart Tipitaka. No need to study anymore. Then he everything know. That's why he can teach proper way. clearly. Okay, this is the meaning. But some arahat, after get arahasi, cannot get the for analytical knowledge. Then they, if they want to teach Dhamma, they should study again the Tipitaka. Have to study. Otherwise they cannot teach. Someone already arahaship only with the pure vipassana way. But he doesn't know how to attain jhana, attainment. If someone asks question from him, he cannot give answer. Then he have to practice again to get the experience, to teach. This is different. Okay, understand now?
In Buddha's time, there was a arahant that is number one in the analytical knowledge.
Bhante Sariputta.
He asked questions to Sariputta.
Bhante Mahakottina. All are great, but Bhante Sariputta is the always the second for the Buddha only. Bhante Sariputta is the Edaggam Bhikkhave Mama Savakanam Bhikkунam Maha Panya Anang. Yadidan Sariputta. Sariputta Maha great the wisdom. Okay? Number second, Bhante Mahamoggallana. After that, other great disciple. Okay?
Bhante, I think, it's quite confusing. Why is it this associated with wrong view can be others?
Okay. Basic meaning the wrong view, not believe karma, not believe good and bad in this world. After we commit the bad, no more result. Because somebody think, oh, we cannot see result now. Someone says, no, this now, no, in future life. How I believe the future life? I don't know about future. After I give up this one, I don't know where I am going, where I am reborn. This is a wrong view. Okay? After we do the good thing, we have the result. But in the present moment, we cannot see. Oh, in future, someone not believe. Someone say, oh, don't waste your money. Always you're doing dana. You are working very hard. You save your money for future. Someone can, all the time, someone can tell us, don't waste your money. You please enjoy your life. Someone not enjoy, they always giving for others. If someone not believe about this, the result of the wholesome or unwholesome, this is a miccaditi, wrong view person. This is the main meaning. Okay? Another one, someone don't have good faith for the Buddha. Because of that, very easy to arise the bad mind. Sometimes, because of the wrong view, because of the different defilement. And someone don't have energy to fulfill the wholesome. Example, they always arise lazy. Oh, now too late. I don't want to go monastery. Oh no, heavy raining. Very tired after working. I cannot come for attend that lesson. Okay? If you have like this lazy mind, this is also different type of defilement. Sometimes arise wrong view also together. Wrong view is arising. Another one, someone don't have the mindfulness, always talking bad, they know nothing about good and bad, rubbish thing, everything rubbish, about the political, different, but not regarding our life. And others' fault, the way making rumor for others. Those are bad things, everything, they are arising because of unmindfully, because of no mindfulness. If someone can develop the mindfulness, okay, I want to save my verbal today. I don't want to talk any bad thing. I don't want to do any bad action to others. This is mindfulness. It's a good way. Okay? Then, no concentration. Don't have the concentration means don't have one pointness mind. Always going, coming, going. Difficult to focus the one subject. Example, somebody is studying. Difficult to focus. Okay, reading 1 minute, 2 minutes. remember, oh, I want to do this thing. Go there, do. Oh, I want to see my telephone. Which kind of message? Who send message? Eh? Oh, I want to check my Facebook. Oh, it's something. No, my means it's daily happening. Daily happening. So this is, I mean, you cannot focus the continuously one point. This is a weak point. Arising akusala, unwholesome thing. That's why we should understand. I am doing the bad thing. Then I don't, then because our nature of the mind want to get this one. This is a nature. We have to block. Oh, don't want. You have full your life. No, I want to read this one. This one, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay, I will see the Facebook after 15 minutes. Okay, then read. Yeah, this slowly try to increase your mind. Okay? Maybe. Yes, you need strong determination. Determination. Otherwise cannot. And wisdom. If someone not skillful to understand good and bad, what is the good and bad? Example, sometimes when we are staying in the society, stay together, very easy to make the bad thing for others. But after the suffering, oh, today I used the bad word for that man, that lady. Oh, I scolded him, it's no good. No. Because why? You are not used your wisdom in the right moment. But later, you are suffering. That's why all the time you should try to develop your wisdom. Try to, all the time in the present moment, before talk with somebody, you should think which kind of thing suitable to talk with him. He has benefit or not. After talking, I have benefit or not. You have to think. It's the meaningful or not. And after associate, like the different people, maybe because of associate, my life going good way or bad way. Because you are somebody associate drunkard. Then very easy to, this habit come to us also. Because I am always talking, stay with the drunkard people. Then my mind is very easy to convert this object. Then always you try to, after associate, before associate the people, think, oh, what are the quality of this man? It's good or not for me? Think. At that time you can save your life. Because after associate the people can destroy our morality also, our qualities can destroy. Our life also going to the bad way. This is a way to save our life. Okay? Anyway, all the time try to control lobha, dosa, moha. Lust or craving, attachment or delusion, and hatred, ill will. Those are things, always try to control your life. This is a way. Now, one example. After associate different type of object or different type of people, arise in lust mind. For me, example, okay? Very troublesome, very difficult to control. Then you should study how to control your mind in front of the last object. Okay? Then, and when you are free, try to practice the meditation regarding to kill the last object. And you try to associate to people who make trouble for me to appear the last. Because some friend also can, okay, please enjoy, go and there enjoy. Some people can encourage us. Don't associate like these people. And to save us. It is true or not? Then all the time you try to find the way, which kind of object produces lust for me. Lust. Then always try to avoid from like this object. Avoid.
But the problem is sometimes we cannot control. We don't realize it, right? When we talk, when we quarrel, the words just come out. So how do we
Yeah. Because the no more mindfulness, this is the big point. But after that, immediately, sometimes you can understand, oh, I make the problem. I make the bad. You're suffering. But anyway, slowly, you try to find what is the root of this case. Because of the after seeing that man, all that arises this anger. Okay? Then before the maybe you keep determine your mind. Okay, next time, before I see, I want to control my mind. I don't want to see him anymore. Then you have to ready earlier. Count this object. This is slowly. Cannot do within the 1 minute, 1 day, 2 days, we cannot recover this problem. That take time. But according to our experience, practice. Okay? May you try. Yes, correct. This Chakra Sutta give example, not my meaning. Yeah, because we have to count according to the way. Because every 100 years, the 1 year go down. Every 100 years, reduce the 1 year. Every 100 years, the lifespan 1 year reduce. Now during the 100 years lifespan the human world, at the Lord Buddha appear. No, Lord Buddha 2500 after 2500 Lord Buddha passed away today. This meaning 25 years we have to reduce our lifespan. This is another case. Okay, because every Buddhas not fulfill the whole lifespan. Only the 4 part of the 4 of the 5. The whole lifespan we can do 5. The 4 of the 5, the living. 40%. 80%. Okay, 80%. Yeah, 80%. No, Lord Buddha's lifespan 100. Okay, 80% they live. After 80% should pass away. This is the nature of every Buddhas. Because every example now old age people how they are behavior. They stay on the bed, need help, need to feed, need to clean up. Many suffer. Lord Buddha's not stay like this. Before the happening, before the passed away.
So if at that time one day Ananda asked Buddha to stay, so Buddha can stay 1 kappa.
Yeah, 1 kappa meaning only the lifespan, 100 years. Extra 20 years only. Not kappa. No kappa. Because the kappa, there are 4 types of kappa. Okay? Different time. Yeah, because the kappa meaning, actually the kappa meaning, they are the yon. Actually, the yon means that 4 meaning. Ayu kappa, antara kappa, asankaya kappa, maha kappa. There are 4 meaning. Okay, maybe in future. According to the lifespan, the kappa. Bhante Ananda asked the lifespan only, not the thing. Okay? You understand? Yes. Sure. Sadhu.